Hello everyone, welcome to geekermag. In today's video, I'm going to share the fastest way to access ChatGPT Advanced Voice on your iPhone. All you need to do is just one press. To achieve this, first you need to set few things up. Here is what you need to do. Make sure ChatGPT app is installed on your iPhone. If it's not, head over to App Store and install it. Also log in using your credentials. Next, on your iPhone, launch Settings. Select Action button. Here, swipe left and locate Shortcut. Tap Choose a shortcut. Scroll down, locate and tap on ChatGPT. On this screen, select Start Voice Conversation and you are done. Next time you press the action button, it will directly open ChatGPT Advanced Voice screen where you can start your interaction. I hope this helps. If you find this video useful in any way, don't forget to like this video and subscribe the channel to get notifications about more similar videos. Thanks for watching.